David at Mulholland, and I want to show you a situation of a gorgeous, beautiful house. Again, Los Angeles, California, the land of the gorgeous homes. But here, same thing, they got some fencing done, and I want to show you what happened to it when it's done the way of the iron and the finish work of that fence. So this is what you got to be careful when you do fencing like that. You better figure to do it from the right materials. I would recommend aluminum or at least galvanized iron, and then if it's aluminum, got to be powder coated, and then you're not going to have those issues, and you're not going to have to replace it pretty fast. So those kind of situations, we see them all the time. Swimming pools, it's become even worse because there is a lot of moisture right there, close to the fence, and then it starts leaking on the walls, and very hard to remove it. You got to repaint, and then if you repaint, of course you're going to repaint the whole wall, because it's hard to match the color right in a specific area. So just watch for those things so you don't get screwed, because the prices can be even about the same, maybe a little bit higher, and then you get it correct, you get it right. This is a house down the street that we did all the stainless work about I think about 10 or 12 years ago, if I'm not mistaken, and still looking good, looking beautiful. So you may invest a few percent more to any project, but if you do it right, then you don't have to spend money, or you don't have to get to a situation where you want to sell the house and you start to fix things. The realtor tell you, you got to fix this, you got to fix that, you got to fix this, you got to fix that. That's what's happening in this situation. And then you start spending a lot of money and waste a lot of times for things that you already did. So just watch for those things, and give me a call if you need any help or you need any advice. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, give me a call so I can let you know what to watch for and how to address certain things, especially when we're talking about pretty large, significant investments where you go fencing all around the house, gates, railing, things like that. Big investments, and I would say about 60-70% of them that I see in the market are ending up being failure. It's a very funny industry, and you got to know what to watch for. I've been David at Mulholland, 1-800-562-5770. Thank you and have a beautiful day.